Welcome to another episode of the Money Wheel Podcast. The journey to wealth starts here with your host, Don Shade.
Hello, my friend and future millionaire. Welcome to this episode of the Money Wheel. My name is Don Shade. Now, in the last couple episodes, we've covered a lot of key points, meaning we set up your domain name and we set up your email address. And in the next episode, we set up your business entity, what you're going to look like in the eyes of the IRS. Now, it's time to cover something really important. We need to set up your business account. Now, depending what kind of business you do, if everything you do is an online business, you're going to be fine pretty much dealing with any bank you want to deal with. If you're somebody that maybe does real estate and buys property in different areas, you may want to look for a bigger bank that is more commercialized, that you can find as you're traveling across the country buying properties or whatever it is that you're doing. Now, one of the things that I will warn you against is this. If you go with the bigger bank, there are benefits to it. And some of the benefits are this. When you open a business account in a bigger bank, a lot of times, if you have a good credit rating, they'll offer you a line of credit or a credit card on that business account the day you open it. And this is money to help you run your business, and you can use as much of it as you want or use none of it, but it's a nice option to have. So with that being said, if you're in that position that you have a good credit score and you think you could get a credit card or a line of credit on a brand new commercial account, go with one of the bigger banks. Chase, Citibank, Wells Fargo. If you're in a position that you don't have decent credit or your credit's kind of maxed out or whatever the situation is there, you can deal with any bank you want and just go in and open a commercial account. Don't let them talk you into the high dollar big business checks. You can get what's called a freestyle checking account. And what that allows you to do is have a personal size checkbook. The checks just have your company name on and address, phone number if you choose. So that's everything I have for this episode. We'll see you on the next episode of the Money Wheel.
Thank you for listening to the Money Wheel Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and like the podcast. For everything that was talked about in today's amazing show, go to moneywheelpodcast.com and get today's show notes, past episodes, and most importantly, you can connect with Don Shade on all his social media platforms. Again, at moneywheelpodcast.com. If you are just looking to email Don, you can email him at don@moneywheelpodcast.com. For a list of all our tools we use in our business, you can go to moneywheelpodcast.com/resources. Again, thank you for listening to today's podcast, and see you in our next episode of the Money Wheel Podcast.